Dear friends, a savory snack with a very unique taste is what we'll be making. Let us call it a ring chakli. For this we need 2 cups rice flour, 3 cups water, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 to 3 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, a pinch asafoetida, 2 cloves garlic and 1 big onion. These are 2 very unusual ingredients in a chakli which impart that unique nacho or masala like taste to this chakli. But please don't exceed this quantity because a fine balance of all flavors is essential. We'll very finely grind this onion and garlic to a fine paste. And put all that 3 cups of water to boil. When it has started boiling, we will add the salt and asafoetida. This is gluten-free asafoetida I have got hold of. And add all other masalas, that is jeera powder, turmeric and red chili powder. Red chili powder is according to your taste, you can increase it also. And once it comes to a very proper boil, add the onion and garlic paste, mix it well and add whole of the rice powder in one go and reduce the gas to very low and keep cooking. This has to be cooked very well, that is what will give it the softness. The rice has to be cooked well in that hot boiling water. Mix it well and keep it aside, keep it covered on the gas itself for 15 to 20 minutes. As soon as it has cooled down a bit and you can handle it, add any cooking oil of your choice and start kneading it. If it's a bit warm, that will be much better so that you would be able to know the consistency, and you have to mix it very well, very thoroughly. After that, start making this process of making this can be made in any which way. You can experiment in different ways how to make this ring. To get a uniform size, you can make it around your ring finger or any one of your fingers so that the length of the ring remains same. Or you can if you are not so particular, you can just roll out like I am doing, cut out pieces and join the ends. You can also make it in a star mold in the chakli maker. After that, on medium to high flame, it has to be medium because it has to cook through. Do not overstuff the kadai, and this will take at least it took 3.5 to 4 minutes depending on the number of chaklis I had put. And don't overcrowd it. Take out the chaklis once they have changed the color, they become light golden brown, light to dark golden brown. You can take them out on a tissue paper. Drain excess oil. This does not, in fact, there was no excess oil. It does not take up any oil. So that is an indication that the rice flour was cooked very well. You can see how hollow the tubes are. And that is how crispy and tasty this will be. This is what I was talking about. You can pipe it out from the star mold also if you find this method difficult. So that is it. Please do try this unique tasting chakli and give it to your friends and family. Please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more such recipes. Thank you.